What if I told you that the AI you use every day is just the beginning? The technology recommending your next video, generating art, or answering your questions, all of it falls into different types of AI. And understanding these types might completely change how you see the future. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence. But not all AI is built the same. In today's video, we'll break down the 3 major types of AI you need to know: artificial narrow intelligence, generative AI, and artificial general intelligence, also known as AGI. Let's simplify this. First up, artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. This is the AI we use every single day. ANI is designed to perform one specific task, and it does it extremely well. For example, voice assistants answering your questions, Google Maps finding the fastest route, YouTube recommending videos. But here's the limitation. ANI cannot think beyond its programming. It doesn't understand context like humans do. It doesn't know things. It just processes data. Think of it as a specialist. Very smart, but only in one area. Next is the most exciting and fast-growing type, generative AI. This is the AI that can create new content, like text, images, music, or even videos. Instead of just analyzing data, it actually generates something new based on patterns it has learned. For example, writing essays or scripts, creating realistic images from text prompts, generating music or voiceovers. Generative AI is what powers tools like chatbots and image creators. But here's what makes it special. It doesn't just follow instructions, it creates. However, it still falls under narrow AI. It's powerful, but it doesn't truly understand like humans. Now let's talk about the future. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. AGI is a type of AI that can think, learn, and adapt just like a human being. Unlike narrow AI, AGI wouldn't be limited to one task. It could solve complex problems, learn new skills on its own, understand emotions and context. In simple terms, AGI would be a machine with human-level intelligence. But here's the reality. AGI doesn't exist yet. It's still being researched and developed. So why should you care about these types? Because we are already living in the age of ANI and generative AI, and slowly moving toward AGI. The better we understand AI today, the better prepared we are for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this simple breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more AI content. And here's a question for you. Are you excited about AGI, or does it make you a little nervous? Let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.